Wow, an airport! Yes! Stay close. Okay. Do not run. I won't run. Good. Where do we go? Check in. Check in. We need passports. I have mine. Check now. Emma. What? I can't find it. Stay calm.
I feel scared.
We will look. Not here. Look slowly. Okay.
Only school stuff.
No passport?
No.
Check your pocket. This pocket? Yes. Empty. What now? What now?
Try the front pocket.
Okay. Slowly.
Please be here.
Careful.
Okay.
Not it. That is trash.
Oops.
Good.
Sorry.
Try again. Check here.
The side?
Yes. Wait. What? I feel it. I found it. Great. Whew. Hold it tight.
I will.
I will. Always. What is this? Security.
Security. Okay.
Put it here.
Like this?
Yes.
I am nervous. It is easy. Okay? Okay.
Walk slowly.
Okay.
Good. I did it. Yes. Good. I see planes. Yes. Many planes. So cool. Keep it safe.
Safe.
Good. Say, this is my passport. This is my passport. Great. This is my passport.
Nice.
Easy. I will not run. Good. I learned. I am hungry. Me too. Snack later? First, wait. Okay. Then snack. Hello, plane. We will fly. Sit still. Okay. Good. Passport safe.
Good.
No losing.
Oh,
Good job today. Thank you. You learned.
I feel better.
Me too. Ready. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Slowly. We did it.
Yes.
Yes. Good trip. Good trip.